All right. Good morning, people. Good morning. Are we ready for this? Yes. Yes. It's good to see you, Tom Cruise and The Rock. Very good. This is going to be one of those massive movies, put together. So I'm happy to see everybody here this evening. All right. This movie is about Jesus coming to the store. Right? So it's one of those movies that people are willing to watch. So we need to get this thing right. If you guys grew up, you guys have to volunteer. No pay. Right. So if you want to get paid, you got to do it properly. Alright? Twins, are you ready? Alright? Let me know. Otherwise, you guys will be off the B-roll. Let's do this. Alright, cameras, are you ready? Cameras, you ready? Alright? Okay, here we go, guys. Take one of Jesus coming to the store. Here we go. 3.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Look! What is this? It's a storm. Whoa! What do we do? Don't you do Jesus! Come on, fellas.
Man, you guys read the script last night?
Yeah. We're not reading it.
You said... Just being for technology, check your emails, man. That was a part of the first scene. First script. The second script. I paid $5 million for Christmas to screw up the school. So get around then. Right. Okay? Okay. Cameras ready? Cameras, you ready? Cameras, are you ready? Alright, here we go. You ready? You alright? Alright, go this round. Here we go.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Maryland, what is this? Storm. Whoa! What do we do? Everyone
Someone have that guy. That's the kingdom yourselves, man. That's wrong, guys. Alright? It's not in the script. Okay?
What's wrong? You just say it's wrong.
It's wrong. It's really wrong. Alright? Get it wrong. Let's get it right. Get it wrong. Sorry? That's the last warning for you, Mike. I've got a replacement for you. Let's get it right. Otherwise you'll have to be in that. Okay? Let's get it right. Man, I've got to point it to a team. So you sort it out. Alright? Come on. Take 3. Cameras. Ready? You ready? Okay, here we go. Take 3. Sorry, your time. Here we go. 3.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Look! What is this? Storm. Whoa! What do we do?
Boost! I've got the spur. There's no money back in Jesus' name.
I was trying to do my uncle to get the look of his
Your walker is going to this. There's too many audience in it, Mike. That walker's not good. Turn around. So, winner, this is the last warning for you, Mike. Otherwise, you get $5 now. Get it properly. Let's screw up my step, man. Alright? Alright, this is one of those big movies. Get it right. Alright, get it right. Okay. Take 4. Is it take 4? Yeah. Take 4. Alright, very good. Cameras, are you ready? Here we go. Take 4.
Row, Matrix, no.
Do it properly. Here we go. Take 5.
5.
3.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Look! What is it? Storm! Whoa! What do we do? Don't worry, everybody. I've got this.
Shortcut to the smoothie, alright? Let's look. Okay? Battle. Right, put some muscle in this time. Battle the canoe there. No shortcut. Alright, running up my butt here. You guys screw up one more time. That's it. That's the last one. Do it properly. Do you read? Okay, here we go. Come on, guys. Teamwork. You guys understand that?
Yes.
Yes. Explain to someone else with me. Here we go. Last take. You ready?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Look! What is it? It's a storm. Whoa! What do we do?
That's it, guys!
So everybody, the moral of that story was, the first few times, we weren't looking to Jesus when there was a storm, and in our lives, when a storm hits us, whether it be our situation, our family, our financial situation, what we should be doing